How to edit shorts and reels on your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can edit reels and shorts. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is you can actually edit your reels and shorts in the very specific apps itself. So if you open up your Instagram and try to upload a reel, so let's head over to the reel section, choose a random video, then you can swipe up to start with the edit. You can see there are a lot different available editing tools. You can edit you can cut the clips, you can add stickers, captions, voice, filters and whatnot. But if you don't want to do that, you can also use CapCut on your mobile device. So download CapCut from your app store and then open it up. So you can create new projects in CapCut and start making edits. So if you start with a video, there you can see it has a lot of different features, and after you've made the edits you can export it and then upload it. And it's the same for shorts and shorts and reels. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.